Hi, this is Josh from Shamma Sandals, and right now I'm doing what we call final lacing. So I'm getting this pile of sandals here. It's a pile of Warriors with the Ultra Grip, and their size 9.5, and I'm getting them laced so that we can match the pairs, and then put them in the box for our inventory. It's really a satisfying moment for me. It kind of gives me a little bit of relief because we're always under the gun here in terms of time, because we're a really small company, to be quite honest with you, and we make a lot of the sandals as they're ordered. We're always trying to build up an inventory, but it seems like we can't really make them fast enough half the time. So in any case, right now I'm at this spot where I'm going to take the sandal. It's just a really simple little process. I move the buckle all the way forward. I put a pair of needle nose pliers in. I grab the heel strap, pull it through, wrap it around, and then I take the sandal and I take the, we call it the insole post, and I kind of rotate it a little bit in position so it's all set. Then, like I was saying, I match the pair, bam, and into the bin. And then we have some inventory to grab from for the orders, instead of making them as fast as we can. So especially in the summer months, which it is right now, like the height of sandal season, it's just really helpful to have the inventory. So anyways, that's just a little bit of what we're doing here at Shamma Sandals.